Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to just do a quick little unboxing of some new coffee mugs that I recently ordered from Nespresso. I ordered these directly off the Nespresso website and it was listed as a new product, and I'm kind of a sucker for the Nespresso products because I just love them. I think they're really good quality and it's just kind of like something that I like to do. It's kind of like my little collection. So this is the newest addition to my collection. This is from the LUME line, or the LUME collection. Maybe it's pronounced LUME, I'm not really sure. But like everything with Nespresso, I feel like the packaging is really nice and there's a lot of like good detail put into it. And you can see right here, there's like a sleeve on top of this corrugated box underneath, and then there's like a little cutout here that shows I guess it's supposed to emulate like a cup of coffee, like that's the coffee. Underneath is that corrugated part, and then on the side of the box is an aerial view of looking like down onto the shape of the coffee cup, and there's the handle right there, and so this would be the coffee right here, this cardboard part. So two come in the set. I got the standard coffee cup size, so it did not come with the saucers, but I believe all the other sizes for this particular model, if you will, come with like little saucers, but this one did not. So there it is. So let's just get this taken off here. Okay. And then like there's the little Nespresso logo that's embossed into the cardboard. It's really nice packaging. Okay, so this has two mugs in the set, and this is like really like a matte finish, if you will. It's not like got a really like glossy finish to it. Now, some other mugs that I have from Nespresso are the Origin mugs, and I feel like they have the same kind of finish to them. But the main difference is this mug has the handle, and the Origin mugs is a little bit bigger on the bottom, and it has like a little divot cut out here near the rim. But this is really nice, you guys. This like fits in my hand really well. I can put like all four fingers right there through the handle, and on the inside it's got the glaze or the gloss finish. On the outside is just, you know, your plain like matte finish. It's really pretty. It feels good. I have the View coffee cups that I feel like they came out kind of recently. I don't remember when they came out. I got those in a little bundle, and those glass mugs feel really good in the hand too, but the handle is not as big as this one. So you kind of end up holding it like this, and then, you know, I end up holding it like with both hands. But this one I feel like you can just do with one hand. It's really nice. And on the bottom is the little Nespresso logo, and it says made in China, and it has a little maybe the item number. So it's pretty, really pretty, and has like a little ridge right below the lip of the cup. I don't know if you can see it there, like right there. It's really nice. So, and then there's this little pamphlet that comes with it, and it just talks about the care instructions. They're porcelain cups. They're intended for coffee. The matte surface, I guess it's talking about the surface of the saucers. But this one did not come with saucers. But because this is a matte finish, probably the same thing would apply. It says scratches and marks can occur because of the matte surface. The cups and saucers are dishwasher safe. And it says, in case of staining or lipstick traces on the delicate matte exterior, we recommend to wash them by hand as a first step. And then something else important here that I just noticed, it says Do not place the cups and saucers in the microwave, onto a stove, or direct heat source. So that's good to know, because sometimes I will like reheat my coffee and I'll just pop it in the microwave for a few seconds. So they recommend not to do that with this particular mug. So there it is, you guys, and there's another one in the box. It's just a little set of 2, but it's packaged really well. There it is. I can just take this out real quick so you can see them. There they are. I feel like this would be like a really good gift to give someone who you know is a fan of Nespresso or who really enjoys coffee, and maybe like a gift for someone who you don't really know what to get them or you feel like they already have everything. This is kind of like a nice, indulgent little nice to have gift. Make a really good like Christmas or holiday present, or maybe even a birthday present for someone who you know who loves coffee, who loves Nespresso. So there they are. Yeah. I think I'm going to really enjoy these. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.